Really quick, what is important in a conclusion? Anyone else think that? Is that what you're supposed to do? You wrap up your thoughts. Summary. If you are going to summarize in your conclusion, that should be like one sentence. So imagine, again, you wrote this essay not because your professor asked you to, but because you had a point, because you had a motivation. Now you can deliver it. Now you can say why you wrote all of this, which is what? It could be anything. So it's not restating the thesis, it's extending the thesis. So you might want to write that down before you leave. But extending the thesis. What do I mean by extending is, so now what? You're now going to motivate your reader to do something. You put the ball in their court now. So don't just restate and summarize everything you've said. Extend it. Take it further and motivate your reader. Yeah, if you can't drop the mic after it, then you didn't do it right. Yeah, that's good. I like that.